How would you like to earn money just for driving your car as you usually do? Well, you can with DIMO. Now, DIMO is a cutting-edge platform for drivers to maximise the potential of their vehicles. DIMO stands for Digital Infrastructure for Moving Objects. Now, this here is the DIMO Data Miner, and it's the hub to make your vehicle smarter, provide you with valuable information about your vehicle to help keep it running as best as it can, and you can also earn yourself some DIMO cryptocurrency rewards in the process. Now, with this little black box, you can get real-time vehicle performance and health data, scan for error codes and vehicle diagnostics, and integrate with other developer services that make car ownership much easier. Now, the DIMO ecosystem gives users access to a suite of applications designed to seamlessly gather, utilize, and monetize data generated by their vehicles. Now, this data can be seamlessly integrated through the platform itself or via third-party hardware devices available on the market. Now, installation of the hardware is really simple, and I'll show you exactly how to set things up in another video coming soon. Now, I've been using the DIMO Data Miner and software for 2 weeks now, so let's take a look at the app and see what kind of data we've got and how much rewards we've already earned. Okay, so I've got the app open, and as you can see there, it says it was last connected 3 hours ago, and that's because I've got the data miner here in my hand, so it's not currently connected, but we can still see enough information here with the app as it was 3 hours ago. It says that fuel data is coming soon. I've not actually seen that feature available yet. I'm still waiting for that fuel data to come on my device. But if we scroll up a little bit, or down, however you like to say it, we can see some of the other information we've got. So we've got battery voltage there at 12.63 volts, and we can click into this and see more information about our battery and insights and trends into our battery, which is really useful. I've just actually got a new battery from Halfords when I took my car in for a service, so hopefully that should be reporting good information. It says the engine load is 52% of average, and again we can click into that and see more about the performance of the engine load, the throttle, engine load versus throttle, and then some tips on how to get the best performance out of your engine. Then we've got error codes. It says I've got 0 error codes, and the last time I scanned, which was just a couple of days ago, there wasn't any errors on my vehicle, which was good. Then we've got obviously a map down here, which I'm going to blur out because I don't want people to see my actual location, but you can see the location of your vehicle. Down at the bottom here, we've got some tabs. We've got fleet, so if you've got a number of vehicles, if you run a company, or even if you're just a household with multiple vehicles, you can add more vehicles to your fleet. Then we've got the market, and this is a market for third-party apps. So you can download some of these apps and use them with the DIMO app. I've not actually got any of these as yet. I'm still trying to work my way around it and understand what these apps are and how they can be beneficial. Right down at the bottom here, we've got a link to the shop as well for the DIMO Vehicle Smart Hub. So if you want to buy another one of these smart hubs, then you can do that through the Smart Hub shop. Now, just coming back to the top here, you can see at the very top under market, it's got my current DIMO balance. So I've got 174 DIMO tokens. Now, if we click on that, which says see more underneath there, you can see that I earned 86 DIMO tokens last period and 174 tokens lifetime. And if we just scroll down a little bit here, you can see that my current streak is 2 weeks. So that means this has been plugged into my vehicle for 2 weeks. Now, you don't have to have this connected all of the time to earn rewards. You can just obviously plug it in as and when you want. You don't have to drive your vehicle constantly or continuously in order to earn those rewards. As long as you drive your vehicle at least once in a rewards period, which is weekly, then you will get rewards. But you can see my current streak is 2 weeks, and underneath, above there, we've got levels, and I'm currently on level 1. Now, the more or the higher level you got, the more DIMO tokens you earn. So I'm currently earning 88 DIMO tokens per week just for having this device connected to my vehicle. So I've currently got 174 DIMO tokens, and I'll open my MetaMask in a second so you can see exactly what that's worth in real money. But I've currently got 174 DIMO tokens. Now, the way this works, these rewards work, is basically there's a allocated token amount that is issued to all DIMO users every week. So whatever that token amount is, we'll have a look on the computer shortly so we can see what that currently is. But whatever that token amount is, that is divided between all of the DIMO users for the week. So I'm currently earning 88 tokens per week on level 1. When I get to level 2, then that will increase and that will go up to, you know, much higher levels. So you can earn you know, a lot of money just for having this connected to your vehicle. Now you might wonder, well, what does DIMO get out of this? And we will get to that in just a second, but I just want to continue with this app for now. So obviously the last tab is my account, so I'm not going to click on that, but we kind of get a general overview of what the app is here and how it can benefit you in terms of vehicle performance and diagnostics, and also how you can earn the DIMO tokens. Now I'm just going to open up my MetaMask and I will show you exactly how much I've earned in DIMO tokens. Now you can connect to either the Ethereum network or the Polygon Matic network. I'm using the Polygon Matic network purely because it's cheaper gas fees, but if you prefer Ethereum, then you can do that also. Now, as you can see, I've got 173 DIMO tokens, or 173.69, which reports as 174 in the app, and that translates to £13.29 GBP. So for having this connected to my car for the last 2 weeks, I've earned close to £14, which in my opinion isn't bad. So that's an overview of the app. We'll jump on the computer, take a look at the white paper, and I'll try and explain to you a little better how this benefits DIMO and how it will benefit you as a user as well. Okay, so this is the DIMO website. Now I'm not going to read through all of the information here. Obviously you can do that in your own time if you are interested in getting yourself a DIMO device, but there are a couple of things that I do want to touch upon here. First thing is compatibility. So many people have been asking, is my car compatible with DIMO? And as long as your car is 2012 or newer, then it should be compatible. The reason it needs to be 2012 or newer is because this AutoPi device needs to connect to what's called an OBD2 port in your vehicle. And vehicles older than 2012 don't tend to have those ports for the AutoPi to connect to. There are exceptions, so be sure to check your vehicle. If it is 2012 or older, it might have an OBD2 port anyway. Your vehicle should connect, whether it's petrol, diesel, electric, it doesn't matter. DIMO supports all fuel types. Next thing I want to take a look at is, what is DIMO? So basically, DIMO is a native blockchain-based token of the DIMO protocol that's issued to users and contributors. Users being you and I, who use the network with this AutoPi device, and contributors being third-party app developers. Why is it useful? Well, when drivers connect their cars and stream data, they earn DIMO. Everyone earns a portion of the weekly drop or baseline issuance, and they earn more when app developers and data consumers pay for their data or vehicle access. So basically, this is how DIMO makes their money. They will sell data that you're supplying or providing using the AutoPi device. They will sell that data to vehicle manufacturers or vehicle battery suppliers, for example, or engine component suppliers, or whatever it might be. Basically, companies who are interested in how well that vehicle performs or how well a particular component performs. You know, it might be insurance companies who are interested in, you know, how people drive or where people drive. So all that kind of stuff is really, really useful data that third-party companies are interested in purchasing. So that's how DIMO basically makes their money, by selling that data to these companies. Now, DIMO will reward you for providing that data by giving you DIMO tokens each week. Now, you can earn more tokens depending on whether particular companies are interested in buying your data, but regardless, you will be issued like a baseline reward every single week. So basically, DIMO will have a pot or allocated portion of tokens each week that they will distribute to DIMO users. Now, depending on what reward level you're on will determine how much you are allocated each week. So if we come to this page here, earning DIMO, it says driver rewards will be based on a combination of baseline and market demand for vehicle data. So depending on whether people are interested in data from your particular vehicle or not, you might earn more tokens. If not, you will still be allocated a portion of that baseline reward. Now, if we just come down here to this infographic here, we can see that the baseline rewards, it says stay connected to earn rewards. The longer you're connected, the more rewards you're eligible to earn. Driving more doesn't earn you more rewards. So basically, as long as you drive your vehicle at least once in any given reward period, you will be issued your reward tokens. Now, I believe the tokens are distributed each week on a Monday. I was issued 88 tokens in my first week. I didn't see when that was issued, but checking this week, I did notice that my rewards were paid on Monday. So I think it's every Monday that you receive your rewards. Now, for the first level, which is week 1 to week 4, you will earn a set amount of tokens. I earn 88 tokens for the first 2 weeks. Once you get to level 2, then those rewards will increase. I'm not sure by how much yet, but I will let you know once I get to week 4 or level 2. And you can see that the increase is, it's a gradual incline or a gradual increase, but from level 2 to level 3, there is quite a steep increase. And then from level 3 to level 4, that's really considerable. So basically, if you're connected for 36 weeks, which is, 3/4 of a year or so, you can earn some serious rewards. And obviously, if vehicle manufacturers or third-party companies are interested in the data that your vehicle is collecting, then you can earn more rewards as well. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how much my rewards do increase. So that's basically a little overview of how it works, how you get rewards, how DIMO makes money from this. The next thing I'm sure you guys want to know is how much does this device cost? Nearly dropped it then. So if we come to the website here and we click on shop and then see the device, you can see the device is currently at $299. But I've got a special discount code for you guys, which will give you 10% off that. So if we click on add to cart here and then continue to checkout, all you need to do to get this discount is simply put in the discount code box here, Simon Kenny, all in uppercase, and click apply. And that will reduce the price from $299 to $269. So quite a significant discount. Now, obviously, if you're buying one of these devices, then you will want to get your money back for that purchase as soon as you possibly can. So the longer you connect the device to the network, the quicker you will pay that off, and then it's all profit from there. Now, for complete transparency, DIMO did send me this device for free and asked me to do an honest appraisal and overview, and that's exactly what I've done in this video. Now, my honest opinion is that this is a really great device. I received this, 3 or 4 weeks ago. I've been using it for just over 2 weeks in my vehicle, and honestly, I think it's a fantastic little product. There are already so many great features and benefits to using the DIMO Data Miner, but I think there's so much more potential and so much more to come. Now, I personally am happy to provide vehicle information to the DIMO network and to be earning £6 or £7 each week for doing so. But I'm currently only on the baseline rewards at level 1. There's so much more potential to earn a lot more DIMO tokens from using this device. Once I get up to level 2, 3 or 4, that reward will increase exponentially. And also there's a potential that the DIMO token can increase in price as well. At the moment, most tokens are not doing so well, and Bitcoin itself is not doing so well. Once Bitcoin starts reaching the highs that it was at, last year or the year before, then most of the tokens and coins do follow suit. So I'm expecting that the DIMO token price will also increase. And then obviously DIMO are also burning tokens, so that will have an impact on the price as well. So I'm expecting to make a lot more money from using the DIMO device. Now, the other great thing I like about this device is the ability to report any error codes coming from the vehicle. Now, I've taken my car for repairs before, and I've been told that there are lots of error codes being reported, and honestly, sometimes I've been really dubious about this, but with DIMO I can now check if that's really the case. Now, as for the negatives, I only really have one little gripe, and that's I had a bit of a problem setting up the device in my car, which is why it took me 2 weeks before I actually started using the device. But that was because there was a problem with my VIN number and the compatibility with the app. Once DIMO reset the app for me, I was good to go. Now, if you want to get yourself a DIMO Data Miner, then be sure to use my discount code down below to save yourself 10% off the purchase price. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon.